We recommend Hawker Richardson due to their wonderful sales, support and service. GME is a privately owned organisation that was founded in 1959. We make a number of different products here at GME, from CB radios to professional radios to emergency beacons, both marine and land-based, as well as television signal distribution products. We currently produce a wide variety of printed circuit boards. We are a lower volume but a high mix, and we produce around 250 to 300,000 printed circuit boards each year. We had a number of different challenges within production here in Australia. First and foremost is the cost of manufacturing here in Australia. One of the major criteria for selecting a new machine was not only because we had some older lines here that weren't delivering what we needed them to, but we also needed to focus on how we could reduce our costs at the same time as being able to ensure the quality of the products that we make. We chose to invest in the YSM20s for a number of different reasons. The first reason was that we needed to buy some new equipment because our current equipment was ageing. The second reason was that we needed to have equipment that could pick up smaller components and place them onto the printed circuit boards. And thirdly, we enjoyed a very long relationship with Hawker Richardson, which we've used to our benefit, so we chose them to help us with this new machine. The YSM20 has reduced our costs significantly because of the sheer speed of the new equipment and the accuracy. The machines run twice as fast, so that's a factor of improvement of about 4 times. We've been able to reduce our cost by more than 50% at the surface mount technology operational level. It's lifted the morale of staff who have been dealing with long setup times in the past, where we've gone from 5 hours of setup time on each line to less than 15 minutes. The YSM20s have improved quality substantially within the business. The primary focus has been on the accuracy of the equipment. The much finer pitch components that we currently use in our engineering design, as components and products must get smaller, the accuracy on the machines must increase. The new YSM20s have opened a number of different opportunities up for our organisation. Firstly, we're able to do our own work in-house much faster and much more efficiently. Secondly, it's allowed us to approach different markets where the products have got to be a lot smaller than what they used to be. And thirdly, it allows us to do some special third-party manufacturing for different organisations, as well as potentially looking into some defence opportunities. The installation of the Yamaha YSM20s was very smooth. This particular installation was ahead of schedules by approximately 2 weeks, and it was done in less than 6 weeks turnaround. The training that we received from Hawker Richardson on the Yamaha line was one of the major factors why we purchased the YSM20s. Their service and their support and training as a whole is second to none. Since we purchased the YSM20s, the organisation has felt an amazing sense of pride. From our perspective, investing into Australian manufacturing is a really exciting piece of our strategy going forward, both today and well into the future. And we couldn't do it without other great local organisations like Hawker Richardson. And we couldn't recommend Hawker Richardson highly enough.